container, your must-have accessories for perfect sous vide recipes. It's 12 quart for most sizes of meats in a family and with a collapsible hinged lid. The lid is with patented collapsible hinge, so it's very convenient for you to refill water for those long-time cooking recipes, or to take in and out ingredients for those recipes which require different ingredients, producing the best taste by different cooking time. A full range of different lids to match different brands and models of sous vide cookers are available. Some are exclusively compatible with Anova, some are exclusively compatible with Breville Joule, and some are designed to fit all the sous vide cookers. The presentation video is to introduce the container and the lid. Please check what is included in each listing to see if extra accessories are included. Every gadget, design driven.
With the classic pint, it was impossible to drink a beer that remained cold for more than a few minutes. We have always wanted to enjoy a cold and flavorless beer from the first to last sip. So we created Ice Divide. You just need normal home ice, can kit it together with other glasses. Ice keeps your beer cold for a long time without watering it down. Made from borosilicate, a glass designed to withstand large changes in temperature, dishwasher safe, and more resistant than traditional glass. Its particular shape makes it easy to handle and comfortable to use. It keeps to foam and helps to rising of aromas. All you have to do is pop in the ice and enjoy your favorite beer. Ice the White will keep your beer perfect until the last sip. Ice the White, made for a cold beer lovers.